Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Machine learning techniques for image classification.
The year 2020. You can add a 2023. Now, NumPy, SciPy, Scikit-learn, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, Pandas. Why Python for NLC here? More flexibility, visualization ability. Code simplicity and platform independence, better libraries, larger community. These are the reasons why we are using Python for machine learning. Top machine learning algorithms predictions. See, linear regression type. The best fit line through all data points. Easy to understand. You can delay, see what the biggest drivers of the model are. Disadvantages. Sometimes is simple. And logistic regression, adoption for linear regression, problems for a classification. You see, decision tree is a classification technique. A graph that uses breaching method to match all possible outcomes of a decision. Easy to understand and not often used. The best goal of progression. And if you see this top 10 algorithms, random forest, gradient boosting, neural networks. 10 plus most popular machine learning software tools and comparisons. See, Scikit-learn. You can run platform like Linux, Mac OS, Windows, cost free. Written in language Python, Cyta, C, C++. Algorithms for features, classification, regression, clustering, pre-processing, model selection, diamond star reduction. PyTorch, you can run Linux, Mac OS, free. Python, C++, code. And TensorFlow, this Linux, Mac OS platforms, free. Python, C++ code. Provides a library for data flow program. Data can run Linux, Mac OS, Windows, free. Java, data preparation, classification, regression, clustering and visualization. And Beka is a free and written in language Java. Algorithms, features, data preparation, classification, regression, clustering, visualization, association. You see, 9 is a tool can run Linux, Mac OS, Windows, cost is free. Written in language Java. Algorithms can work with large data volume, support text mining and image mining through plugins. Cloud services free, supports libraries of Python, Keras, TensorFlow, OpenCV, cross-platform, free Java and Scala. Pre-processing, regression, clustering, recommendation, distributed linear. And Apache Mahmoud, cross-platform, free Java Scala. Preparation, pre-processing, regression, clustering, recommenders, distributed linear. Across language, cross-platform, free and C#. So classification, regression, distribution, clustering, hypothesis test. Then the last comparison title is Shogun. Shogun is a tool, machine learning tool, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, free C++, written in which language? C++. Algorithms like regression, classification, clustering, support the term machine, dimensional reduction. Then Keras, if you see, Keras cross-platform free Python API for neural networks, rapid miner cross-platform. The cost is free. It written in language Java, data loading and transformation, data pre-processing and distribution. So top 5 algorithms of machine learning I'm going to demonstrate now. After that, we'll start the image classification, especially COVID-19, COVID strain and Omicron, and recently I'm collecting the data on PF7. So logistic regression, decision tree, support vector machines, naive Bayes, k nearest. You see logistic regression, it is one of the statistical method. In this method, uses logistic function to model a binary dependent variable. All the many more complex extensions exist. It is estimating the parameters of logistic model, a form of binary regression. Logistic regression means the relations between the categorical dependent variable and are more independent state variables by estimating probabilities using logistic function, which is the cumulative distribution function type of logistic distribution. Linear regression, logistic regression. See, put values x1, x2, x3, x4. That is called input x. Linear model, probabilities, sigma function, values between 0 and 1. So this is the logistic regression algorithm I'm going to demonstrate. So you can download from the internet. See, command run, go to command run, syllabus. So go to website URL, see here, Google.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
In Python software, you can download Python software, go to this URL. See, go to download Python 3.11.1. See, now it is downloading. So now, see all of you, I'm going to install Python. Now you have downloaded from the internet. Now double click. So in the icon, you can select add path. There is a symbol I have already installed, that's why it is not shown. You can add these things while installing. Okay, now it is installed. Please see.